everybody, yes or no?
Yes! This is my family.
Sige, sino excited dito? Friends? So, sobrang excited, hindi naligo. Okay, sige, let's have a... Sige, everybody, yes or no? Sa may National Museum and yes. Mga places natin sa Philippines is nameless. So when you say nameless, walang pangalan. Eh, dito, yung mga unang tao, mas nakagaya sa'yo ng 3 ways kung paano bigyan ng name ang lugar. Okay, so first way, basta
excited. Ano ba yung meron dito? 8,000 dogs. 8,000 butterflies. Tsaka over 3,000 dogs. Puro birds lang sa akin. Wala 200 wala. Wala eh. Wala kang laman eh.
Masarap yung gawing bago.
Ito, palit na palit. Smallest playground in the world. Uy, iguana. Ayun na. Ayun na. Over there pa. Ayun na. Iguana. Pusa. Ayun na, babies. Laki po. Sige, akyat lang pa more. Akyat lang. Daklag mo. nila sa kabilang side. Yes. Diyan sila nag-delay ng eggs. Kasi from time to time, kailangan na basahin yung mga feathers nila para kailangan nila para yung down yung mga eggs nila na parang may mga lagnat. Miss, paano po pag nalunod yung anak nila? Wow! Aerodactyl. May pang-parents! Yay! May walang guinea pig. Matay. Ano nga? Matay. Ayun o. Netherland. Dwarf rabbit. Scarecrow. Bago niyo siya i-tanim. Sinipasyon? No. Mas gusto ko dalawa. Ito female. This hindi sila makam. Dikit-dikit mo. Dikit-dikit mo.
Okay.
Paano yun?
So yung nakakita na, you can take a photo sa main castle. The next, we're going to the butterfly.
Ayun, Aizel, kapatid mo. Have mercy on me. Ipon yan eh. Ikaw nga, butterfly. Babalik sila. Wala naman kami dito. Lahat sila doon, no? Pamano! Galing ko! Fishy! Pati na sa'yo. Yay! Free fish. Pag yung may fish na binili ko. Ay, hindi pala binili. Binigay sa amin. 1 by 1. Lahat, diba? Lahat binigay. Magagalit si mama. Alam ko lang. Walang kasalanan na.
To eat your snacks.
GSIS.
Kumain ka na ng lunch. Balik sa bus yan. Pwede yan.
Malapit na.
So yung mga sling bag, iwan yan. Shoulder bag, backpack, huwag na kayong magdala. Yan, iwan yan. Wala kang dadali na kayo.
Isang kunti lang ng pinuha namin. Ang laki-laki namin. GSIS isang floor lang nila tapos.
So yun, sa bus number 1, kain.
Hindi ako nakapagdala kasi tsaka bawal na magdala kasi ng gadget. Yun o, pero sa museum tsaka sa Pineta. Punta kami sa Neta kasi
Darling, how's your field trip? Si Jaya nag-vlog eh. Good morning ka ba sa vlog? Very good. Ano, kumusta yan? Bumili siya ng fish. Huwag mo na
Hindi ko bumili.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Binigay sa amin lahat.
Ah, may free na fish? Saan?
Dun sa Bio-Research.
Bio-research.
Kasi puro insekto, tsaka mga animals doon.
Ah. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Happy? Happy!
Pero yung iba hindi.
Bakit?
Boring daw kasi yung iba.
Ganun talaga field trip.
After 1 week, pag buhay pa rin, bibili kami ng mga bid yung ito, grass, grass, yung leaf, tapos mga
Para
beads,
dito.
marble.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Ano ba ginagawa nyo?
Napagawa ako.
Tingnan mo, uy.
Ang galing niya papa mag-ganun ah. Hindi ako marunong talaga nun eh. Okay, back to work. Ito na gagawin ko. Si Jo, ang tagal gising kanina for mahigit 4 hours. Magtutupi na ako. Dahil ilang araw na ito. Hindi niya yung pacifier ni Jo. Alam mo na kung gaano kasakit. Akin na nga. Kumain kasi ako. Pinakain muna ako ni Papa. Okay na. Teka lang. Parang kumukulo yung siyang ko. Kumukulo yung siyang ko. Aray.
Tummy time daw.
Tummy time. Nalungan ba? Nalungan.
Oh, silip ko.
Silip ko pa dyan, ha?
Abby Stephen, just a 24 hours before Capitol spilled Black Shaw's naked ass onto every desktop in America. Instead, this thing comes out. I want every skeleton in Shaw's closet dusted off and lined up so we can take a good look. You think he's hiding something else? Aren't they all fake? Where are we with the grand
Dead end, but I found a couple of accounts across the street. Might take a while to slip into the firewall. What do you need?
Their hands on my 6
Hi, Pogi! Ang bait-bait naman ng baby ko. Saan isang mittens mo? Hello, Pogi!
No right. That woman was not our client. She had one shot. She chose to marry that man. She chose to have children with him. And now 20 years later, she wakes up and realizes she's the
Hi, Pogi!
She fell in love with the wrong man.
Hello, Pogi, baby!
Possible position. I did what I had to do for my client. I made a tough call. You don't like it, I'd be too bad. But it's my name on that door, not yours. When I wanted to leave Charles. Don't talk to me about tough calls and names on the door. That woman.
Ay, bless you!
I
Ah,
don't know
bless
what's
you!
going on with you or what's happened to you, but I know that you have your stuff that you don't talk about. I know that.
Umiyak ka?
Something's going on with you, and I'm
Hi.
sorry about that. I am. But that doesn't mean you get to stop being Olivia Pope. When Charles fractured 3 of my ribs and broke my jaw and threw me out into the snow in my nightgown, Olivia Pope took a tire iron and broke its kneecap. And then Olivia got me the best divorce attorney in the state. And got me out of that marriage. It's what Olivia does. It's who you are. You are the gladiator who would gladly follow you over a cliff. But you gotta show up. You gotta be a warrior. You don't get to pick and choose when the real Olivia Pope walks through that door.